Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create long legs in Higgsfield AI. So Higgsfield AI is an AI platform that allows you to create amazing image effects, to add amazing image effects to your pictures and even create visual effects all with the click of a button. So all you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, scroll and choose the Higgsfield so section, and click on the long legs area. Then we brought to a page like this where the subject would have extremely long legs. So anyways, because of the um, pictures position, so you can actually recreate any of these images for free. All you have to do is to click on the one that speaks to you. Let's assume I want to create something like this. I need to click on it, and then I will be able to see the prompt. So from here I can click on recreate. Then I can actually copy this prompt and take it to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the prompt and make it fit my personality or make it fit what I want it to be. Or you can just recreate it here. So you can change your aspect ratio here and make it into any of these other aspect ratio if you want to, and you can also switch the quality. You can change this to basic. The high uses 2 credits to generate an image, while the basic uses a single credit to generate an image. So once you're done, you can actually animate it here by adding video or speech to it. And once you've done that, you can download your image or video here, and that will be the end of. You can now proceed to add it to your projects. If you have any other question relating to this particular image effect, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you there. Also, please, we are trying to grow our channel. We will appreciate your subscription. Thank you very much and do have a great day.